Hi guys, happy spring break. It's been 3 weeks without you guys. It's been kind of weird, been different, but take this week to really find a new hobby, discover hidden talent, take advantage of this time of self-reflection. Today I am in the green zone. I'm feeling an 8. I am feeling happy, and my goal for today is to go to sleep at a reasonable time. For today's video, it's going to be yet another cooking video. I'm going to be making a penne shrimp pasta. Just a little heads up, I like my pastas to be really spicy, so I went a little overboard with the amount of chili powder that I put in it. If you are not a fan of spicy, only use that first amount that I've used, or if you have a Cajun seasoning, I ran out of mine, so I went overboard on the chili powder. So if you don't like spicy food, don't go that heavy on it. Also, this pasta is more of like a drier, light pasta. So if you like something with a little more, I don't even know how to call it, just like, what I'm trying to say is if you want to use like a tomato based sauce or something, that's perfectly fine too. Also want to let you guys know about this really cool app that I found. It is called Supercook. Basically, it is an app where you input all the foods that you have in your fridge, your pantry, your seasonings, all of that, and you hit submit, and it lets you like discover hundreds of like recipes you can cook with the foods that are in your fridge. You can also, once you submit it, you can select if you're looking for a breakfast, lunch, or dinner meal. You can also pick what the main ingredient you want in your dish to be. So let's say you're looking for a chicken based dish, you can hit chicken, and then it'll give you like recipes for a chicken dish. What I also like is that, so let's say I'm looking for a chicken dish, it'll give me recommendations on meals that I can pick. But let's say I'm missing an ingredient, so it'll recommend like this dish, but then it's like missing carrots or something, and so you're able to find recipes and find more foods that you can cook. So if you're getting a little tired of eating the same thing every day, I really recommend it. At this point, I just feel like I'm rambling because I get nervous, so let's go. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.